Hello everyone, welcome back to the Weekend Soft-Roading channel. Today we're going to talk about what's inside the kitchen box. So before we begin, this is our kitchen box. It's a Plano tote, the Sportsman tote, and it fits all the utensils that we need for cooking. I'm going to show you what's inside the box here first. So first thing is our propane pipe for our 5-pound propane. This is what we use to connect our propane to our cooktop, our Coleman cooktop. This is our stove here. The Coleman Fold and go inside this bag. That's a very compact stove. I know a lot of people use the flat type stoves, but I like this one because it is much more compact and it folds, which is one of my key things. You know, space saving. So it just folds out. You got your items here that you can put down, and now you just put them up, and then you can start cooking. So the pots I use to cook are going to be in here, or the pans, my frying pans. These frying pans are from Japan. I like the look and I like the style of these frying pans, and they're pretty portable. So they are a carbon steel pan. So one's a medium size and one's a large size. So you could use this over the campfire, but what we do is we mostly use it on our Coleman stove that you saw. But this is good. Again, just well seasoned, well rounded, and it comes with a detachable handle. This wooden detachable handle that just slides right on. It's pretty convenient because then you don't have this big long handle here. So you go like this, and that's your pan. And then we use this as a serving plate as well. So once our meal is done, we just use it as a serving plate. And again, these are from Japan. They're called the frying pan Jiu, as you can see from the handle there. This is a Sea to Summit kit. This has a pot, bowls, and plates, and I'll show you what that looks like here as well. So this is one of the Sea to Summit pots. It's collapsible, has an aluminum base, and we're going to be using this. This is very compact and what we need. So this just flips up, and then inside we got a couple of bowls, or 2 bowls just for me and my fiance. 2 bowls that also flip out, which is awesome. So for the bowl, you just push it out, and this can hold about 2.3 liters. And then this, you just cook. That's the bowl, or that's the pot that we have. It comes with a lid, so you can steam. And then it comes with a strainer. So I recently upgraded to this because it's much more compact than what I had before. I used to have just a stainless steel pot, but this is a lot more space saving and a lot better than the regular pot. So also in the Sea to Summit kit over here on the side, we have the Sea to Summit Kettle that has my drip filter, my GSI drip filter, and also the kettle, which holds about 2.3 liters of water. And again, it pops up, which is awesome because it could just fit in that kit over here to this side, which has all my other stuff as well. There's the pot. It comes with a cap. You can boil water on this, and then do my pour over coffee. And then this is the plate. It also pops out to a much better height. So we also have a GSI cook set here, which has all our tongs and our flipper, our salt and pepper as well. The GSI salt and pepper mill right there. And then all our flippers that fold in as well. So our flipper, big spoon, and then tongs at the very bottom there. And then soap, oil, and then more salt and pepper. A tiny cutting board that we don't really use, but that's this is a really good cooking set from GSI. And we also have my coffee kit. So just ground coffee with a scoop inside a bag. Some cups. My fiance's cup. My fiance's wine cup, and then we got this nesting bowl set as well, or a mixing bowl. So we got a bowl, strainer, and then also a small bowl, big bowl, and a strainer in here. I don't know if we're going to be using this tonight, but nests nicely in here. And then we also have another GSI set, one of our fan favorites. This is a GSI knife kit. So it has everything. This is the cutting board that we use because it folds and folds bigger. As you can see, folds into a nice cutting board. And then we also have the knife. So we got a chef knife, a small paring knife, and then we also have a bread knife as well. Nice, very good knife set from GSI. And then the rest, we just have aluminum foil, parchment paper. This is really good to put on top of your plate, and then put the food on top, so it reduces needing to wash dishes. And all you can do, if you're allowed fires, you can just put this in the fire and it'll burn nicely because it is organic. Or you just toss it in the trash as well. So that, and then we got some Pam oil plates, and then just a small wash set with some soap already in there and a little sponge. But I will be showing a new way to wash dishes in the next coming video, which I hacked I made some modifications to my my Flow Pro with a geyser system. So I'll show you what that looks like here in the next video. But yeah, this is basically the kitchen bin. Oh, one more thing. I do have 2 folding washing basins as well. With my new cleaning system, I might not even need to use this. So we'll see. And then we got one more thing. I got a drying rack as well that I need to set up. And I'll show you what that looks like here as well. And last item in the kitchen box is this drying rack that fits perfectly. So this is how big it is, like the bag size. So it just like clicks into place, or you know how those ultralight chairs work, very similar to this. And it's pretty nice. It's pretty short. Like, I'm pretty tall, but it comes with hooks, and it also comes with that mesh net. So when I'm done washing dishes, I'm just gonna put all the dishes here to dry, and then I'll put it back in the kitchen box. But that is the kitchen box, and it has everything that we need to camp comfortably. And again, it's inside a Plano Sportsman Trunk medium size. And I'll talk, if you want additional information on the things, just let me know. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.